Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Unity version and target platform because resolution options vary. Once done, open Edit, then Project Settings and choose Player. Make sure you've selected the correct build target so settings apply, otherwise you'll edit the wrong profile. In Player, locate Resolution and Presentation for standalone or the relevant mobile section. Immediately set default screen width and height or toggle default is full screen to control startup resolution. This gets the process underway and ensures predictable behavior when you test. Now configure the core resolution and scaling. Set default width and height, choose an aspect ratio, and pick windowed or full screen mode. These control initial presentation. Then adjust UI. Open your canvas, set canvas scaler to scale with screen size, and enter a reference resolution such as 1920 by 1080 so UI scales correctly. Also check quality and pipeline settings, HDRP/ERP, to enable dynamic resolution if needed. This balances performance versus visual fidelity and prevents Finally, implement runtime control and verify behavior across devices. Call screen. Set resolution, width, height, full screen to change resolution in code and provide menu options for players. Test frequently using Editor Game View presets and real hardware to confirm scaling, DPI, and aspect handling. Make sure to profile GPU/CPU when toggling resolution to catch performance regressions. If things go wrong, first verify the active build target and canvas scaler settings. Then check DPI, render pipeline overrides, and quality level resolution scaling to pinpoint the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.